Today we are diving into an exciting trading strategy built around a powerful and sophisticated indicator that could completely replace the MACD. Plus, I ran multiple backtests on this strategy across many pairs, and we're gonna analyze one of the top performing ones. So, without further ado, let's dive into it! Hi traders, welcome back here on TradingGate where we discuss profitable trading strategies. Today's strategy was suggested by a dear member of our community on Discord, who was looking for reliable signals to activate a grid bot. We decided to start the research and look for some good results. Long story short, we found it. Let's proceed step by step. As you may know, here on TradingGate we mostly build strategies based on a main entry signal and one or two confirmations. The first indicator we will use as our main entry signal is the sharp trend cycle. There are many versions of this indicator, but we will use our own version by TradingGate. You can find this indicator for free in our Discord. The sharp trend cycle, the STC, is a technical indicator that combines elements of the MACD and the cyclical components to identify trends in the market more quickly. It helps detect both bullish and bearish trends by analyzing price momentum, making it a faster alternative to traditional indicators like MACD. We can use this indicator by looking at the overbought and oversold area. Whenever the line is above 75 level, the indicator is in overbought area. Conversely, whenever the indicator is below the 25 level, represent oversold area. This is the classical way to look at this oscillator, but our members suggest to use this indicator in a different way. We have a buy signal whenever the STC changes to green, so basically here in this example, whereas we have a short signal whenever the STC line becomes red. As you can see, we have blue and purple circle directly drawn onto the chart. So we're gonna open a long position whenever we have a blue point, whereas we open a short position whenever we have a purple point. And these are our main entry signals. Then we're gonna use a second indicator as a confirmation. The trend trigger factor by Everget is a technical indicator that measures the strength and the direction of a trend by comparing recent price movements to historical highs and lows. Similar to the STC, we have an oversold area and an overbought area, and the line that ranges between these two areas. Whenever the line is above 100 level, we are in overbought area, whereas when the line is below minus 100 level, we are in oversold area. We can quickly see by the color of this area. So we're gonna confirm our main entry signal just like this. For a long position, we need the TTF to be in green area. For a short position, we need the TTF that is in red area. Then the third and last confirmation will be based on a moving average, specifically the ALMA moving average, taken from the moving averages pack by TradingView Pro. We have set a length of 30, and we're gonna allow long position whenever the price is above our moving average. For a short position, the price must be below our main moving average. And that's all guys. These are all the three rules in order to generate long and short positions. Now it's time to convert this trading idea into a real strategy, using our strategy builder, a powerful tool that allows us to combine any indicator available on TradingView to generate buy and sell signals. We can backtest, automate strategies, set up alerts, and do all this cool stuff with just 2 clicks. Let's start by configuring our main entry signals. Here we just need to turn on one signal for long and one signal for short, and we're gonna set the sharp trend cycle long signal. Whereas for short signal, we're gonna set sharp trend cycle short signal. Here in the signal settings, we're gonna just set price equal. If you have any doubt, you can just click on the sharp trend cycle in the style, and you can check where is the signal. Then we can set the TTF in the oscillator settings. We're gonna turn on one signal for long and one signal for short. Here we're gonna set the TTF as well. And for a long signal, we want the TTF that is above 100 level. Whereas for short signal, we need the TTF to be below the minus 100 level. Third and last rule is the MA confirmation. We're gonna turn on another signal. We're gonna set the main moving average for both long and short position. And we want the price that is greater than the moving average for the long side. Whereas we want the price that is below our main moving average for the short side. And that's all guys, we have just configured our entry signals based on 3 different rules. Let's check some trade onto the chart. Here we have a long position, because the sharp trend cycle becomes green, then we have the TTF that is in green area, and the price is above our moving average. Conversely, we have a short position, STC is red, ETF is red, and the price is below the moving average. That's cool, guys. Now, in order to finish our strategy, we just need to add the exit rules, and we're gonna set the stop loss based on the stop loss percentage, 4%, whereas the take profit, we're gonna set risk reward of 2, so basically 8%. As you can see here, we have 4% stop loss, and our take profit is 8%. Same is for long position, 4% our stop loss, take profit 8%. That's fine, guys, we have just set our entries and exit. Now it's time to jump into backtest results. I'm going to take these results from our spreadsheets, which you can find in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. We're gonna start to see play USDT on 1 hour time frame. All these results are without any leverage and all based on Bybit exchange. We're gonna go only short, order size $10,000 with fixed amount, 3x leverage, initial capital $10,000 and 0.06% commission. As you can see, guys, we have a really spectacular equity line, 417% net profit, 74 trades, 50% win rate, 1.9 profit factor, 22.8% max drawdown, and 1.88 average trade. Net profit slash drawdown 5.57, which is absolutely good. Max win row 7, max loss row 5, not so exciting, but by the way is the right balance. Expectancy 0.41, the monthly table is absolutely good as well. We are backtesting 3 years and we have only 8 losing months. The equity shape is really good. What I don't like about this backtest is only the total closed trades, which is a low value. Usually we do backtest at least of 100 trades, but by the way, it's a decent value. Another interesting backtest is on CTC USDT based on 30 minutes time frame. We have 363% net profit, 90 total closed trades, 45% win rate, 1.59 profit factor, and 28 max drawdown, 1.35 average trade. But compared to the previous backtest, we have a lower net profit slash drawdown. Then max win row and max loss row is definitely worse than the previous ratio, but overall is still good. Expectancy 0.33, average win 23.6%, average loss 12%. We have other profitable backtest results, but for today's video we analyze only these 2. We should consider that I didn't do any optimization at all, but we still have found many profitable backtests, meaning that this could be a really promising strategy. I want to remind you that you can find these spreadsheets with other backtest results, along with this strategy ready to use in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. You can get access by joining on Patreon, along with granting access to all our premium indicators. That's all for this video, I hope you enjoyed. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!